Hey everyone, today I'm showing you 16 fresh budget woodworking tools on Amazon, all under $80. These are practical and useful finds that can level up your workshop. Links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. First up is the TANYO Stair Tread Template Tool. This is a fantastic precision jig that's perfect for anyone who installs stairs or works on custom woodworking projects. It's made from strong aviation-grade aluminum with laser-etched markings for excellent accuracy and durability. It adjusts smoothly from 8 inches up to 60 inches and gives you full 0 to 360-degree angle adjustment. The clever locking system with rubber gaskets keeps everything securely in place without slipping. It also comes with extension rods and a convenient carrying bag. Whether you're measuring stair treads, risers, floors, windowsills, or irregular shapes, this tool makes the job fast and professional. All of this is available right now for just $27.99. Number 2. Next up is the BORA Centipede 30-inch folding work table. This is one of the most useful portable workbenches you can own. It sets up in seconds and folds down small enough to carry easily with the included storage bag. With a massive 6,000-pound weight capacity and 15 flexible steel struts, it's incredibly strong and stable, perfect for using as a saw table, assembly table, or full workstation. The smart P-tops protect your workpiece from marks and let you attach accessories easily. Whether you're working in the garage, on a job site, or in a small shop, this table gives you a solid, reliable surface anywhere you need it. Highly recommended for serious woodworkers. Right now it's priced at $199.99. Number 3 is this handy 3.2-inch table vise. This portable clamp-on vise is perfect for small workshops and DIYers. It features a full 360-degree swivel base, so you can work from any angle without hassle. The jaws open up to 2.79 inches wide, and it clamps securely onto tables up to 4 inches thick. Made from tough cast steel with hardened jaws, it holds your work firmly, whether you're doing woodworking, drilling, sanding, gluing, or light metalworking. It's compact, easy to install and remove, and super useful for all kinds of detailed tasks. A great addition to any bench. Currently available for just $25.96. Number 4 is the OCASAMI portable workbench with built-in woodworking vise. This is a beautiful and practical desktop workbench made from solid beechwood with a stunning natural grain. It's compact, only 20.8 by 11 inches, so you can easily move it around your shop or take it to different locations. It features strong G-type clamps and 4 metal limit blocks that give you excellent holding power for chiseling, planing, sawing, and other woodworking tasks. The vise is stable, eco-friendly, and very comfortable to work on. Whether you have a small workshop or limited space, this portable vise bench is super handy for a wide variety of projects. Right now it's priced at $69. Number 5 is the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This is an incredibly versatile little tool that's perfect for detailed work. It comes with 69 different accessories, making it great for sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving, carving, and etching. You get 5 speed settings from 5,000 up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, so you can easily adjust power depending on the task. It's compact, lightweight, and feels just like holding a pen, which gives you excellent control and comfort. The built-in LED light is super helpful for seeing into tight or dark areas, and it runs for up to 200 minutes on a single USB charge. Whether you're into DIY crafts, resin art, or small woodworking details, this rotary tool is a fantastic addition to your kit. Right now, it's available for just $26.99. Number 6 is the O-School Edge Banding Iron with digital display. This is a really handy tool if you work with edge banding or veneers. It features precise digital temperature control from 100 to 200 degrees Celsius, so you can set the exact heat you need and get consistent professional results every time. The non-stick PTFE-coated shoe glides smoothly without damaging your material, and the precision tip is perfect for getting into tight corners and curves. It heats up quickly with its 150-watt element and feels very comfortable to hold during long sessions. It's great for applying edge banding on furniture, cabinetry, and even for RC model covering. Comes with useful accessories like a stand and protective sock. Right now, it's priced at $58.99. Number 7 is the AVID Power 1.25 horsepower compact router. This is a powerful yet easy to handle router that's excellent for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It has a strong 6.5 amp motor with variable speed control from 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, so you can match the speed perfectly for different woods and bits. It features smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment, bright LED lights for better visibility, and a comfortable ergonomic grip. The package includes 5 router bits, an edge guide, roller guide, and a dust hood to keep your workspace clean. Whether you're doing edge profiling, trimming, or detailed cabinet work, this compact router delivers great performance and value. Right now it's priced at $84.99. Number 8 is the POWERTEC Universal Tandem Featherboards. These are excellent safety and control accessories for your table saw, router table, or band saw. The kit includes 2 featherboards that help keep your workpiece firmly pressed against the fence and table, giving you smoother, more precise cuts while significantly reducing dangerous kickback. They're very versatile with multiple mounting options. You can use them horizontally, vertically, or even stacked. The bright orange color makes them easy to spot, and the high-quality plastic with easy adjust knobs makes setup quick and convenient. If you care about safety and cleaner cuts, these are a smart upgrade for your shop. Right now, they're only $28.99. Number 9 is the Mollom 16-piece Carbide Forstner drill bit set. This is a serious upgrade if you do a lot of clean, precise hole drilling. The set includes 16 sizes ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 2 1/8 inches. These bits feature thick 2mm wide G8 carbide blades that stay sharp much longer and cut incredibly clean holes in hardwood, plywood, MDF, and plastic. They're perfect for cabinet hardware, door hinges, desk joinery, and decorative work. The bits are well-balanced, accurate, and built tough with high-quality steel shanks. If you want professional-looking flat-bottom holes with minimal tear-out, this set is excellent value. Right now, it's priced at $59.99. Number 10 is the Milescraft 1600 TriGrips, a pack of 4 triangle work grippers. These little helpers are super useful in the workshop. They provide excellent non-slip grip, so you can hold your workpiece firmly without needing clamps while routing, sanding, drilling, or painting. They give you great stability and allow full access to the edges of your project. Plus, they have built-in painting supports that lift your piece about 3 inches off the surface, so you can paint or stain both sides without sticking. Compact, clever, and very practical. These are one of those tools you'll reach for all the time. Right now, they're only $9.99. Number 11 is the POLIWELL Micro Sander Kit. This is a fantastic little detail sander that's perfect for small projects and hard-to-reach areas. It measures just 3.5 by 1 inch, so it fits comfortably under your finger and gives you great control in tight spaces, corners, and narrow spots. The kit comes with 50 pieces of sandpaper in 5 different grits: 80, 120, 180, 240, and 400. So you can go from rough shaping all the way to smooth finishing. It uses a hook and loop system, making it super quick and easy to swap sandpaper. Whether you're doing woodworking, crafts, model making, or furniture touch-ups, this mini sander is incredibly handy. Right now, it's only $9.89. Number 12 is the Pukamam 24-pack of 4.5-inch flap discs for angle grinders. This is a fantastic value pack that includes 6 discs each of 40, 60, 80, and 120 grit. Made with high-quality zirconia abrasive, these flap discs are durable and aggressive, making them perfect for fast stock removal, smoothing, shaping, and finishing on wood, metal, and other materials. They fit most standard angle grinders and work great for grinding down welds, removing paint, shaping wood, or preparing surfaces. If you use an angle grinder regularly in your workshop, having a good assortment like this saves money and keeps you prepared for different tasks. Right now, this 24-pack is just $26.99. Number 13 is the SIIIXS 4-pack face frame cabinet clamps. These are some of the smartest cabinet installation clamps I've seen. They're designed to hold, align, and secure face frames all at once. The best part? You can tighten, align, pre-drill, and drive screws without ever removing the clamp. Each clamp has a handy flip-out pilot hole guide and comes with protective rubber pads to prevent damage to your cabinets. They handle styles from 1 1/4 inch up to 2 7/16 inch and can hold up to 450 pounds. If you install or build cabinets regularly, these clamps will save you a ton of time and frustration. Right now, the 4-pack is priced at $61.73. Number 14 is the Pony 4-pack 90-degree corner clamps. These are classic and extremely useful clamps for anyone who builds boxes, frames, or cabinets. They hold your wood pieces perfectly at a right angle for both corner joints and T-joints. The adjustable jaws can handle board thicknesses from 3/16 of an inch up to 7/8 of an inch. They feature a strong spring that keeps constant pressure for up to 72 hours, so your glue-up stays secure while drying. Made from durable reinforced nylon, they're lightweight, easy to use with one hand, and perfect for quick assemblies. You'll reach for these again and again when making picture frames, drawers, bookshelves, or small furniture projects. Right now, the 4-pack is priced at $15.99. Number 15 is the SIIIXS chamfer plane with auxiliary locator. This is a really handy and efficient tool for quickly cleaning up and chamfering edges on your woodworking projects. It lets you trim and bevel edges smoothly and accurately with adjustable cutting depth, so you can get the exact look you want. It features sharp, high-strength carbon steel blades, built-in level bubbles for precision, and a safety retaining edge. The tool feels comfortable to hold and is easy to adjust and operate. Even beginners can get great results with it. Perfect for flattening edges, creating decorative chamfers, or preparing wood for finishing. It's small, portable, and makes edge work much faster and cleaner. Right now, it's priced at $39.99. Last but not least, number 16 is the Klmnduo Adjustable Spokeshave Set. This is a fantastic 2-piece set that includes 2 different size spokeshaves plus a 4-way wood rasp file. These tools are perfect for shaping curved surfaces, rounding edges, smoothing contours, and doing detailed handwork on chair legs, seats, arches, and other irregular shapes. The blades are made from high-quality SK2 steel that stays sharp for a long time. And the double screw adjustment makes it easy to set the perfect cutting depth. The ergonomic handles feel comfortable during extended use, giving you excellent control and precision. Whether you're a beginner or experienced woodworker, this set is incredibly useful for carving and refining your projects. Right now, the complete set is only $18.98.